Imagine a world where self-driving taxis seamlessly zip through bustling cities, transforming urban transportation. Tesla's Cybercab robotaxi is poised to be the cornerstone of this futuristic vision. With the potential to reduce congestion, emissions, and the reliance on personal vehicles, the Cybercab could spark a transport revolution. Yet, navigating through regulatory compliance remains a major challenge for Tesla. As governments grapple with legislating autonomous vehicles, the path forward is complex but essential. On top of regulations, advancing the technology to a foolproof level is critical. Public perception stands as another hurdle. Can driverless taxis earn public trust in safety and reliability? Tesla must also invest in vital infrastructure, like charging stations and maintenance facilities. Convincing consumers of the Cybercab's benefits requires a powerful marketing effort and strategic urban partnerships. Addressing job displacement for taxi drivers will also be a significant social consideration. Despite challenges, the Cybercab's potential rewards are vast, from reducing traffic jams to enhancing mobility for the elderly and disabled. New business ventures, such as autonomous deliveries and ride-sharing, could emerge thanks to the Cybercab. With its sci-fi design and advanced sensors, the Cybercab is a marvel of modern engineering. Inside, passengers will find a sleek and comfortable environment, underscoring its futuristic appeal. Its autonomous capabilities allow for agile and precise navigation through urban landscapes. The Cybercab could revolutionize multimodal transport, seamlessly connecting taxis with high-speed trains. Tesla's collaboration with cities aims to create an interconnected transport network. Recent updates from Tesla highlight progress in autonomous tech and plans for rollout. Setbacks aside, Elon Musk's commitment to the Cybercab remains unwavering. The journey ahead is promising. Stay tuned as Tesla drives forward into the future of urban mobility.